Hi! Good evening sa inyo. Tonight on this video, let's learn about ni at nina. Just like si, ni is placed before a name, but between ni and si, remember that si with si, it is adjective plus si and the name. Ni, using ni, it is noun, ni, and then the name. And also, it states ownership. Examples ay bahay ni Daniela, kotse ni Kara, trabaho ni Rosa, payong ni ate or payong ni kuya, kwarto ni mommy. And also, ni also goes with in verbs. Example ng past tense ng in verb ay kinain ni Mara ang langka. Mara ate the jackfruit. Examples, bahay nina Daniela at Jake, kotse nina Mara at Kara, payong nina ate at kuya. And example, past tense example of an in verb using nina, kinain nina uncle at auntie ang langka. Past tense example of an in verb using nina, kinain nina uncle at auntie ang langka. And just like sina, which is the plural form of si, you don't always have to mention all the names involved with nina. You can just say bahay nina Daniela, and it is understandable that the house is owned by Daniela and someone else. You can either say kotse nina Kara at Mara, or you can just say kotse nina Kara, and it is understandable that the car is owned by Kara and someone else. And the example with an in verb past tense using nina, kinain nina auntie at uncle ang langka. Or you can just say kinain nina auntie ang langka. And it is understandable that auntie ate the jackfruit with someone else. Next topic, next video on Learn Tagalog would be kay and its plural form, kina. That's all for tonight. Yan lang para ngayong gabi. Good night na. Bye!